Good afternoon, guys. Let me see. Is that Luke I can see there as well? There you go. How you getting on, guys? Good to see you. Good to see you. We do have other people coming on. They're just running really late. They're stuck in traffic. So it's all good. Okay, so Euro JPY. If you look at Euro, it has been strong all day. Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro Chef, Euro GBP, Euro USD have all been dead currencies. The euro has actually been really good on these currencies today. So we're going to look at some euros. Let me just try and find all these euro setups. What am I doing on that? Really? Okay, there they are. Okay, so I'm going to click on Euro USD. I'm going to highlight that one. You can star these on your pocket option, guys. A little star next to the currency. Obviously, we want to trade more than just on 70% or just over. So at the moment, we have three currencies that are actually over 70%, or Euro JPY is on 70%. So that's all good on that. Let's have a quick look at these. I'm hoping I don't lose my internet. Although my pocket option is running really slow. Apologise about that. Euro JPY, Euro JPY. Oh my days, that is on bullish trend. Jesus. Okay, so Euro JPY has been on a bullish trend for quite a while now, as you can see from here. Obviously, we're going to experience a pullback from the JPY, which it's just a matter of time before that happens. We'll look at the technical, see where we're positioned. Welcome, Philippa. Welcome to the 5 p.m. call. So good to see you all. Okay, so at the moment, momentum is shifting into the minuses for a sell position. So we're going to give this a couple of minutes to see what's happening on this. Momentum minus, it's still in the sell option at the moment, guys. So if you are going to be trading at the moment, 1 minute for sells, 3 minutes going with the euro. That's all good on that. We've got more sells than buys at the moment, so we could be technically going against the trend. Let me just check. Let me just double check this. Okay, so JPY has actually increased in strength a little bit, so we are going to start seeing a pull down. Just bear with it on Euro JPY. 70% on pocket option. I have no idea what 34x is. Let me just check that. 60%. Not the end of the world, but still good. Still good on that. We have the trend changing direction towards the JPY at the moment. Let this candle finish. See where we're at on this position. 1 minute. Oh my days. Yeah, we're quite strong heading downwards. Okay, trail line is pointing down at the moment. We're getting a little bit of a pullback from the euro, but the JPY is actually kicking in. I don't know what's happened to my pocket option. It does seem to have frozen on me. There you go. That's better. Okay, so wait for the pullback. Wait for this to finish. Hopefully, we should get a good trend change, directional trend change on this candle to come back up. Remember, we're oversold on the 1 minute to come back up. Hopefully, this would be a pretty good position to get in. This may well come back out of the overbought area and go back in. Okay, so I'm going to be sitting here. There's a rejection on this candle. I may just jump in 3 minutes going up on this. Remember, strength is with the euro. Okay, we have quite a lot of news today on the euro, but it's not really doing much because we're in the green. It's actually your forecast for 9.0% is now at 9.1. So that's a green on this. So that's strong. 4.1 on that, and that's 4.3. That's the actual that's actually happened on the euro. So we've still got a strong currency from the euro. So I'm going to trust that. I'm going to trust it on that basis. Okay, 55 seconds left. Might have gotten a little bit early on this to go back up. It's not the end of the world. Hopefully the next candle goes back up. MACD is still telling me it's still coming back down, but it's only a very tiny MACD at the moment. And we've gone back into the buy position area, waiting for momentum to change to go back up. Remember, if you are in the minus, it's going down. If it's in the plus, which the plus isn't there, then it's going up. Okay, so minus is down, plus is up. You all have access to this. If you just check the technicals down the right hand side, you've got this little box here. Go down there, click on more technicals with your little speedo thing. Click on the 5 minute time frame that you're on. And if you've got all strong buys, you know it's going in that momentum. What's up? Well, your pocket option. Your mine just did that. Mine just froze on pocket option. I don't know why. Okay, so the next candle is still recovering from this rejected area. Hopefully, we do get the candle to go back up. And I don't know why my screen it's done it again.
I literally my pocket option.
What's going on? I was back to me, but it does seem to stop once in a while and then go and then refresh. Okay, So we may have a pull down on this. I've got in a little bit early on this, which is not too bad because I'm expecting a pull for this candle to come back up. Remember, it's going to probably hit the overbought area again, like it has been doing pretty much all day. If you look, coming in and out of the overbought area and then going back up. Okay, so this is on a prediction that this is going to be on a strong buy. If you go to look, it's gone neutral a little bit here. So where's momentum at the moment? Okay, it's shifting back up into the buy position. Only 0.04 on this to go back up at the moment. So momentum isn't really going in the euro's favor at the moment. But it's always on this candle, just quickly keep checking backwards and forwards to see if the momentum has actually swung in the right direction. So now we've got a buy position, but momentum is still with the JPY. 5 minute. Okay, now let's drop that down. That's pretty fine. So this one is may well finish as a dead candle because there's not much strength going up and there's not much strength coming down. So we've still got the buy position. We're going with the strength. Okay, so JPY is still telling me it's an up arrow as well. So it's getting a little bit stronger. We're still good on it though. JPY. Okay, we're still good there. I'm going to check the 1 minute. Okay, if you look, it's actually rejected the uptrend on the 1 minute, gone to the line and bounced back down. But the MACD is still telling me that this wants to go back up. So we're still on a strong buy position. It's just a matter of time when that strong buy position is going to hit. Momentum has swung a little bit into the plus on the buy position. So it's all a matter of time. I normally just take a $1 trade, guys, just to test the market, see which way the trends are going. Didn't win that one, but it's only a $1 trade. I just test it out just to make sure that everything was correct.
Hey guys, my first.
Yeah, 1st of September tomorrow. I cannot wait. Get out of this August period. Blah. Horrible period. It's done it again. Why did my screen keep flickering? I don't understand that. Wow. Okay, so right. Okay, so remember this is only a 1 minute chart. Okay, so we're going to see a lot of candles moving pretty fast. So we'll look at the 5 minute one. Remember, we have just had a pull up from this position here, so from 496 to go back up. If it now crosses the trail line, maybe an opportunity to get in, and my pocket option keeps freezing. What is going on? That's mine as well. Yeah. Come on. It's thinking about it, guys. Thinking about it. What you do? Just 1 minute fire, and a 3 minute thing. Oh, okay, perfect. Well done, Philippa. Good job. Catching these candles. Well done. Nice little blast there at the bottom of this candle to go back up. It crosses through that trail line. That stock line is going to push back through, go into the overbought area or head towards it. So we still be able to catch going back up. At the moment, it's a very tiny candle. What did you do? Well done. You caught it at the bottom of the candle, didn't you?
I know, but I don't know if I did the last one.
Wow. Come on, set this up. We go back in the overbought area. I'm going to be taking these all day long. You are? I honestly think this may well go because it's giving me the rejection at the bottom of this candle. I know it's a JPY, but you know, you kind of have to go with the rules. What's that? Well, you kind of have to go with the rules on this, guys. Remember, coming out of August, where markets might be a little bit more consistent. So you just have to bear with it. Still got, what is going on? I don't actually know. Why is my pocket option doing this? I have internet, don't I? Guys, your pocket option's doing this as well, just freezing. Just let me know in the chat. I definitely have internet. I know that. That's okay. I don't understand why pocket option is freezing. What? That's weird. Ours is good. Oh, of course it is.
He probably got 32% as well.
That's sick. The other day, I couldn't believe it. We was on 80 and he was on 82. I couldn't believe it. That is absolutely sick.
So weird.
Getting an extra 2% on top of us. Oh no, it's gone to 63%. It's gone to 63%.
I reckon it's like here, but
do you reckon?
Yeah.
You see, I don't know. I think Right, Euro JPY has gone down to 63%, guys. So we may have to go to Euro GBP. That's at 81% on pocket option. Remember, we have a good trend direction on this. Just the start of the candle, it has moved up through the trail line. If it comes back down, preferably a good price. I'd say probably about 440 to go back up. Remember, it hits that area, I'm going to take it to go back up. 440 is still good for what we want. Obviously, it's only 5 points away, no 7 points away on this. 440 probably good to go back up. If you have taken a trade late on this candle, it's coming down to 440. Come on. Okay, I think I might just grab that. It has come back down, guys. It has come back down. Just to get that stock line to go over the top of that orange line. That's all I'm looking at. Okay, so we're getting the rejection, getting a little bit of a rejection on this. Has been on a bullish trend on this as well. So price might start coming back down a little bit. Not really sure about how much it's going to come back down because GBP is actually weaker than JPY. So we may have a good initial candle coming up on this. Let's see what it finishes as. If it comes back down, come on, you give me that weakness. You give me that rejection at the bottom of that candle. There's no way that you're coming back down. We're still good. We're still good to go back up. Remember, at the bottom of this candle, there was an entry at the bottom of this candle. If you manage to take another entry on this to go back up, 427 was basically the last number before it went back up. 427 to go back in for a buy. Let me know in the chat, guys, if you took it on that number. Does seem to be holding out pretty well at the moment on 431. Just need this to come back up just a tiny little bit, just to give us a little bit more momentum to shift in our favor. We're still green, sorry, we're still blue for strong buys on this. If you look, the momentum is still in the minus. Hopefully that will change on this candle. So again, on the 1 minute, momentum is still shifting in the buy position. That's coming in the sell position. So you never know. Oh my God, I don't believe this. It's done it again. Am I doing something wrong here? Because my trading, why does TradingView keep doing that? It keeps flickering out of the page. All right, okay, so guys, let me know if you did take a trade on this, the bottom of this candle to go back up. Remember, you have to trust the way that the markets move. Euro is definitely the strongest. GBP didn't really stand much of a chance on this candle. You had a bit of a weakness at the top to come back down. Let me know in the chat if you managed to catch a trade on this. Were you in? Yeah, I'm in for 3 as well on this. Ideally, 427 at the bottom of the candle would have been perfect. Managed to get one at 440, and my worst entry was 449. That's the worst entry I had before, and I actually cleared that one. So 440 and 427, ideally perfect entries. 3-1, last trade 431, buy for 1 minute. There you go, perfect. Okay, perfect. So 3-1 on that one, Philippa. This is going up, guys. Let me know in the chat if you're taking a trade. What's up? I don't understand. My time is frozen. What is going on? I'm on 427 on my pocket option, but 461 on my trading view. Okay, I cleared the first one, but I cleared second. Coming up the third one. Oh, what is it doing? Two. All right, okay, that's not too bad. I'm assuming you cleared 2 trades on this one, Cameron. I managed to clear 3 on this. Actually, I'm clear the third one. Yeah, I'm still good on it. It's still going up, so it's all good. Yeah, 2 trades on that. Yeah, the last 2 should have gone our way, but they just didn't swing in the right direction. Hopefully, the transition period from August to September has already started to happen, so we should get more consistent markets. Probably starting midnight tonight, markets should start getting a little bit more consistent, so you better take trades a lot easier. This is about to clear my 3rd trade, and I don't even know because my pocket option went straight at me. Okay, no, I cleared it. That's rubbish. What are they doing to this? Okay, so did you manage to take any on that one, Luke? Are you all set up on this one? Did you take it on there? Let me know. Kemi, did you manage to catch a trade on this? We've got a label here, guys. Remember, I'm actually assuming that it might go in the right direction, but that stock line's gone through the orange line. Oh, no, 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 no. So you guys, this may well be a pullback candle. It may be coming back down to reject to go back up. So if you can, let's see if it comes back down to give you the best price you possibly can. At the moment, best price was 443 on this to go back up. That's where it's at the moment. 443 to go back up. That's where I've hit that price. Don't know if it will, but it does look good to come back up in our favor. 443 on that. Very tight, very, very, very small candles coming through on this. Oh, come on. Why am I having to refresh this? Jeez. Okay, remember, still 443 is still a good option to go back up. It does look like it's not really doing much. Obviously, we're going with the weakest currency is very, very, very weak, as well as the strongest currency, which is strong. But the strong currency looks like it has actually slowed down a tiny bit. Let me check momentum. Okay, so still in a minus on the momentum on the 5-minute time frame. We're in the pluses on the momentum for the 1 minute, but it does seem to be going up very, 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 very slowly. Hopefully, we managed to catch this at the right time. That label did come up. Waited for it to come back down, took one to go back up. Okay, so let me know, guys, if you took a trade on this. Hopefully you got in a 423 to go back up. No, sorry, 443 to go back up. Hopefully you got in on that to catch the bottom of the candle. Remember, all we're doing through the month of August is trading rejection. That's all we're doing. Rejection is telling us that the currency is weak to go back the opposite way. That's all we're doing. But come September time, we'll probably be able to follow the trail line a lot more consistently. Wait, what are they doing? Right, she's just gone out. She's gone out to have a go at the dogs. Okay, so let me know, guys, if you took this on this. 443 would have been the best target to take. Going up for 3 minutes. Euro is on a different level today. I only took one on this. Wasn't going to risk 3 trades on this. I should have done, but it didn't really come back down to give us an even better price. So I took one at 442 to go back up. No, sorry, 443 to go back up. Let me know, guys, if you took one on this. And if you look, the label did actually hit the trail line. It did actually bounce off the trail line with the label. So it gave you 70% lockout, and you're all still good on this. This candle here, 443 would have been ideal. And that's about to clear. That's cleared on that one. Perfect. Okay, still got 1:30 left on this, so it's still good to go back up. Let me see rejection. I'm going to check the 1 minute time frame. Some crazy stuff that's happening. Bullish, 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 bearish there. Consistent, consistent, consistent. Okay, so we're overbought on the 1 minute time frame. That's probably why we're going to start getting the candle come down. Check back to the 1 minute, the 5 minute time frame again. So we took a trade on this. There was a good entry on this to go back up, 443 to go back up, and that one cleared. Really did take down. Sorry, it's got another alert on the phone. There may be an occurrence here where euro might actually get a little bit weaker. It may drop down 1 bar. Keep getting alerts on my phone to tell me that the euro might actually get weaker. Okay, so GBP is no. GBP's dropped. GBP's going down. So euro is actually kicking up. That's nothing until tonight. Okay, perfect. We're been and gone. Okay, so euro has been the same level pretty much all day. British pound has literally just lost 1 bar. We've got the down arrow here, so it's good for us. It's good. We now know that GBP is literally losing strength by the minute. We're in a buy position on that. Momentum is swinging in the plus on the 1 minute. Let's check the 5 minute. Okay, I need to probably refresh it. Okay, we've still got, okay, next candle on this, 2 minutes on this. Remember, this is probably going to pull back tiny little bit and then pull back up. It didn't pull back down as much as I thought it was going to. Obviously, I did take a trade on this to go back up, but I got spiked. My strike price was at 457 and it put me in at 464. So it's not great. Not great momentum change on this. We should have had this. This one should have just gone. Let's look at technical one sec. Let's look at the momentum. Always check this before you take a trade. Okay, it's getting stronger towards the buy position. So we're still good. Let me just check the 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, we're still good. We're still good. It's in the pluses. So we're still, this candle, there's going to be some movement coming up very shortly. Hopefully if momentum swings in the plus area, then we should catch these trades going back up. Okay, 447, 445, and 442. Nice. Cameron, perfect. Good job, man. Good job. Luke, what did you go, mate? Are you trading as well? Do you I'm assuming he is. What's he gone so far, Cameron? Let me know in the chat. Look at that, Amber.
Wow.
That's some crazy stuff. That is good stuff. That is okay. So remember, with this candle is going up. You'll take another trade on this. Let me know in the chat. So even at 457, that's perfect. Okay. Okay. 461 in 1 minute. Got 10 seconds left. 461, 461, 461. Oh, borderline, Philippi. You should be good. You should be good. It's all right. It's all good. Okay, so sorry, guys, what was the zero for? What zero trades? I saw 457 and then zero. It's all good. It's all good. Don't worry. Okay, so basically we're taking another trade on this. I'm just about to clear. Hopefully this doesn't really. Blimmin' broker again. Oh, actually, I love it. Okay. Well, now is it? I want to say. Let me just refresh trade with you guys. Don't one sec. Is it this or is it broke? I don't actually know. One new message. Don't trust all this. You'll know for next time, Cameron. Never trust August, believe me. Everyone go on holiday next August. You might as well join the rest of them, trust me, because this market's absolutely unbelievably awful. Honestly, it's absolutely terrible trying to trade in August. But luckily, we haven't lost 10k this year. We're actually up, so we're all good. We're kind of like, you know, bringing it all back gradually. Okay, so I did clear that one on that one. Okay, that's absolutely fine. It's given us a rejection here again. Remember, it did bounce from 453 to go back up. If you did manage to take another one going back up at 453, good job on that, because it does look like that the trend is actually starting to change and turn over. Let me look at that. Lost that. Oh, okay. Did it drop back down, Cameron? I don't know how quick you were to take that trade, because I literally mine spiked literally to high heaven on that one. But it's still cleared. I had like 1 second left, and it was literally just 1 point above the line. Momentum, yeah. Come on. You got to swing this. This is going to swing. Keeps hovering over 461. Yeah, 461 to go back up. That's what it's doing. If you look at the way the trend is actually going, we should be in a bullish position. So we should get the odd red candle coming back down. Nothing really to worry about. But do you know what? I'm going to give up on my broker in a minute. I'm going to go to the other one. This is ridiculous. It's not even loading it. I'm going to go on video forex. Forget that. Okay. Euro GBP. It was still good. Okay. I do apologise about that, guys. Sorry about that. Internet. Take a hammer to it. Probably the best idea in the world. Ooh, right. Okay. Where were we? Okay. Hopefully, it might have just been the internet that was freezing my broker. I don't actually know. I'm hoping it is. Oh, God. Buy position, but like 1 minute's now gone back up. We're on strong buys. Buy momentum. Okay, so now we have 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame all going in the same direction. So what we're going to do is wait on. If this comes back down, guys, remember you still got your price, still got the price tags on the side. Probably if it comes back down between 460 and below, I'm probably going to take that to go back up. It hasn't really gone back down yet, so we'll still wait on this. Still good for a setup on this. I think that may well be it right there. Remember, if you look at the previous candle, it was bouncing up and down. It wanted to go back up, and obviously the weakness was there for the uptrend. We just have to sit and wait on it. That's the problem at the moment. We're not getting consistent enough with these markets. We have to sit and wait for them to set themselves up. Yeah, someone's come on, pocket option, come on, start dragging it. Okay, so I'm still in. I'm in the trade on this, but I don't actually know if it actually gone through. Did it actually go through? I can't actually. It doesn't actually say. I said I'm in a trade, but I can't see the line. I wish I would start updating this. The setting adjustment on here. No, best server. We said best server. Okay, it has come back down, guys, to give you a better price on this to go back up at 451 to jump back up. Remember, every time it comes back down, it's offering you a better price. Take another trade to go back up the opposite way. The only rules that you can sort of follow is the trend. The strongest trend is the only option that you've got throughout the whole of this month, because a lot of the time, like we saw with JPY the other night or the other day, JPY was the strongest, AUD was the weakest, and AUD just pulled it straight up. There's no explanation for it. That's the difference. We were going with the JPY, which was the strongest, and still ended up losing 3 trades in a row because AUD was at 1 bar. There was loads of news on AUD, all in the red, but for some weird reason, the currency still went up towards the AUD. So that's where you got to be careful during these busy periods or these months. The currencies will be a little bit volatile. You just have to. I'm not going to be nasty. I don't really know which way to say it, but it's kind of have to suck it up. You know, you kind of have to just get on with it. But this one is at the moment clearing the bottom of this candle. If you manage to take a trade on this, let me know in the chat. It's good. It's doing really well. Entry on this. So 451 for a buy would have been absolutely perfect. Because that's the only point it's come back down to at 451 to go back up. So if you hit 451 spot on, then it doesn't matter if you lose the trade, you know you hit your entry point. Practicing your entry points, being able to watch the candle go back down or come back up, go back the opposite way. Honestly, when you hit September time, you'll be doing that all the time. You've had a whole month to practice it. 460 cleared. Well done, Kemi. Perfect. Good job. Good job on that. Well, I'm happy I hit 451, to be honest. 451 was a good edge. He did give me a pullback at the bottom, which I'm happy with, because that's kind of what we needed to go back the opposite way. So these are actually clearing, just doing it a very slow way. I very much doubt we're going to get a candle just pull straight up. You know, one of those ones that we normally get. I very much doubt we'll get them. But 451 is just about to clear. Can we clear 460? Yeah, do you know what? It loves 461 for some weird reason. They're just loving 461. It hits that market, and hits that target, and then just stays there. It doesn't even want to come down. 463, 461 and 463. That little area there does actually look pretty good to go back up. So if you manage to hit 461 and 463 in between those two numbers, I think you might be all right on this one, because this one doesn't. It's had 3 candles where it's gone to 461 and bounced, rejected every single time. So well spotted there, Philippa. Good job on that. You cleared hovering over 461. That was a good call on that. Cameron cleared 2. Of course he did. Perfect. 83% payout for Cameron. Absolutely perfect. Good man. I'm gonna have to. You know what? I'm gonna ask if I get another 2% on mine. What do you reckon, Amber? I'm gonna ask Pocket to have another 2%. I swear that's what he's done. Quick little backhand. Go on, give me an extra 2%. I'll give you some of the winners. It's all right. Okay, so basically we're in the middle of like 461 and 463. Anywhere in that target area. I know that the entry is good, but now it's all down to what the market is going to do. Remember, we still have a buy position coming up. That's all it is at the moment. Momentum has actually swung in the buy position, so hopefully we should get in some nice strong candles. Everything's in a buy position. hopefully this was the turning point to go back up. We've done really well on this at the moment, guys. You are?
They might remember. They might happen.
I know, yeah.
You'll just be like the good old all of us then back on the food.
Do you know what? Do you know what? The only way that you could probably actually possibly do it is if he's got if he's a miner. If he's got those mining graphics cards.
But so has Luke sitting next to him? Has he got 2% more than us? Or is he paying us? No.
What?
How did Cameron's paying them 100%. Got some sort of share in profit on him.
He must have.
Yeah.
How is Luke not got the 2%, but he has? Oh my days. Man, that's some good stuff. It doesn't matter, Cameron. It's all right, mate. You just increase 2% more every time. It doesn't really matter. It's all good though. It's all good. Okay, so this one's about to clear. Let me know, guys, if you took a trade on this one. This one was about to go. Everything's in the buy position area. Momentum is in the pluses. So we've still got the swinging momentum. Let me know in the chat. My entry on this was at 465 and 463. So in between 461 and 463, I literally banged it straight in there. It's all good. We're still good on this. It's about to clear. 16 seconds left. Man, we've had some good sessions towards the end of August. Connect. Yesterday was 4-1-6-2. Not too bad. Okay, that's about to clear. We've still got 1 minute 50 left on this. Should set up for another candle like just like this. And we have a look at momentum. Momentum. Oh yeah, that's getting stronger. Momentum is actually getting stronger for the euro. GBP, as always, a dead currency. Our money is gradually becoming more worthless. So we're all good. We're all good. Remember, use these useless currencies to your advantage because the other currency is doing really well. Okay, 1 minute 15 on that. Good stuff going on it. Oh, that literally. Right. Remember, we're still good, guys. We've still got the candle positioning. May get a bit of a bounce back at the moment. It has hit. What area did it hit? Hit area 493 to come back down. That was going to be the area anyway. As far as I'm concerned, if it gets further away from 493 to go back up, that's absolutely fine. We've still got the momentum in our favor. That's some crazy stuff. Look at 489, 489. Starting to come back down. A little bit of a rise there. So 492, 492. We want this to drop, guys. A little bit of a drop. We don't want the next candle to start off to go back up. We want a rejected candle at the bottom to go back up. Hopefully it does. Give us that rejected candle. Come back down. Come back down. Oh, I don't know. There's no chance, guys. Honestly, there's no chance. I don't think it's going to come back down. You're going to get a little bit of a drop, but I don't think it's going to be anything major. Let's look at momentum. Remember, it's offering you the better price every single time. Sell, still in this, it's saying sell, but it's still in a buy position. Momentum on that is, yep, still good on the buy. It's offering you a better price every single time it comes down. Little bit of a spike on my first entry. That's not the end of the world. My second entry was actually okay. I'm contemplating on taking a third entry. Don't actually know when I'm going to do that. Hasn't really come back down to a better price at the moment. Remember, all we're doing now is just building a mountain. That's all we're doing. If you were to look on pocket option and go onto the tick chart, you're actually just building a mountain and just waiting for it to come back down, for it to go back up. I don't know on this one. 482 still wants to drop a little bit. Should definitely take a 482 to go back up. 482 to go back up, possibly. It doesn't want to go back to 482. Well, you can blast this time. May start getting a pull up in a minute. Let me look at the buy positions. Strong buy, sell. Okay, so every time I say sell, it's getting stronger on the uptrend. Momentum still there. Still there, guys. Momentum is still there for the euro. Remember, we're getting it's giving me a little bit of rejection here. It's actually kicking up on a rejection of 481 to go back up. 481 to go back up. That was the rejected part of the candle. Does seem to be doing well at the moment. It has rejected twice on this candle, 481 to go back up. Hopefully that does continue. Hopefully it goes back up into its normal position. You're going to hit 481 again. It really does. It really wants to come to 481. 481, 481, 481 to go back up. Is it going to do it? I've still got, do you know what, guys? I've still got, this position is still good, 481. 481, what is it? I don't understand why it's come back into a sell position, even though momentum is going back the opposite way. Should have come back into the overbought area. It might well do. But remember, guys, every time it's coming back down, it's giving you a better price every single time. So 481 would have been ideal entry because it's between 480 and 482 to go back up. Oh, God. At the moment, it's having a little bit of a play around. Then we've still got a minute 56 left, but it is clearing 481. It's still clearing 481 at the moment. I'm not expecting a miracle here for it to shoot straight back up. It probably will come up gradually. But if you look on the tick chart, according to that, it's actually oversold to wanting to come back up because that chart moves in such a fast way that it reads overbought, oversold pretty well. It needs to come back up. We're only at 475, so only like 7 points away, possibly. It's giving you that option, guys. Remember, there's the option. You either wait until that candle is ready to go back up. It's entirely up to you. Does look good for reversal candle. It does actually look pretty good to go back up. Just a matter of time. That's all it is, guys. Don't take the trade straight away. You can wait for it to give you a better option to go back the opposite way. I tend to find that I do jump in a little bit early, I must admit, but jumping in early sometimes can actually save your account balance because sometimes an early trade is better than a late trade. And remember, guys, it actually come down. Actually come down pretty well. I'm still at 481. Still at 481, and my second entry was 468. So 481 and 468 to go back up. Clearing the 468. 481 is just literally just below it. Big question is this going to do it? If not, then don't worry, it's not the end of the world. We can always stop trading because I think we've had a pretty decent session today. You're 5-1, Amber's 5-1. Let me know in the chat, guys, what your results are so far. Hopefully this one does clear. Hopefully it does get a pull up at 481 to go back up. Still clearing 468 to go back up. Hopefully this one does continue going up in the uptrend position. If not, then it's not to worry. I wouldn't really class it as a lesson because there was nothing really to learn on this. The entries on this would have been absolutely perfect to go back the opposite way. So I wouldn't worry about it too much. The only lesson that you have is you've managed to go through August trading. And you'll remember next time that August isn't your best period. And you will learn from this month that next year you won't want to go on August. All right, so there's only one more day left of the August period. Everything transitions, September time kicks in, and then everyone's back to work. All the money, all the currencies go back into normal circulation, which makes our job a little bit easier. So you'll be able to make more consistent trades. Okay, so I very much doubt that this one, it may clear my 468. I very much doubt it, but I'll have to just take a hit on that because it does still look good to go back up, but unfortunately it hasn't gone that way. So just yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Come on, 468. You can get past this. You can clear this area 468 to go back up. There's no way you're not going to do it. Come on. I'm still clearing. I'm over the line. Come on. What? Nice. What am I doing? Mad dogs. Still got like 14 seconds left. I very much doubt this is gonna stay above the line. No, literally dropped right in the last second. No. All right, okay, I'm taking a hit on that. So it's not the end of the world. I'm just doing 1%. But remember, when we hit September time, we're doing 3%. Majority of the time, be 3%. It's entirely up to you which percentage you want to trade. If you want to do 1, then do 1. It's not the end of the world, but 3% will be my main goal through September, all the way through to December. And yeah, there will be sessions in December time, guys. Apart from Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, but the rest of the time be all right. That's all good. And there'll be some OTC on there as well. We can mark up a chart on OTC. That's all good. All right.
We're back at 11:30.
Sorry.
We're back at 11:30.
Oh. Oh yeah. That's it. It's all good. Let's talk about it. That's all right, Cameron. No worries. But remember, tomorrow is the start of September. Yeah. At least you've had the advantage of having an extra 2% just in case you do win. All right. So there's not to worry. Guys, honestly, appreciate you coming on. We're back tomorrow at 11:30 and 5 p.m. and Friday as well. Ali's on at 7 a.m. on Friday and 9 a.m. on Saturday for crypto. So hopefully we see you all there. Thank you so much for coming on, guys. Well done for everyone with their results. Actually, that's a point. Philippa, what did you end up with? And Cammy, what did you end up with? Whatever the results were. 4-1 for Philippa. What was your 5-1 number?
I was 5-1.
You see, yeah. I was 6-3. But
Oh, no, Philippa.
it's all good. It's all good. Well done, Philippa. Well done to Cameron. Well done, Luke. Thank you guys for coming on. I don't know where Kemi's results are. 23. That's okay, Kemi. No worries. It's always better. It's going to be better tomorrow. Believe me. First day of the month in September time. Transition period has already started to happen. And let's have a look at Forex Factory. Just one sec, guys. I want to check Forex Factory for tomorrow. Look at that. Loads of news. I love loads of news. More movement, the better. So that's all good. All right. So we're going to be back tomorrow at 11:30 and 5 p.m. We hope to see you guys there. Thank you so much for coming on the call. See you later for the first. Thank you, Kemi, for coming on. See you later, Cameron. See you later, Luke. All the best. See you later.